Okay. So we spoke about how some of the yoga asanas or the postures help, like you said, twisting postures and many forward bending also, right? Like Janushirshasana. So they all
Correct,
help.
correct,
So there are many
correct.
asanas to help. So let us
Yeah.
talk a little bit about breathing exercises or pranayama. Does that have any effect or impact on managing diabetes?
Yeah, definitely. We have a lot of first is Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama, that is Anulom Vinulom Pranayama. So
Hmm.
this helps you to take in a lot of oxygen and it will cleanse your nostrils and your windpipe. It will again increase your capacity of your lungs. So once the lungs capacity is increased, there is a lot of oxygen, which is again passed through the bloodstream and it will help in oxidation. So
Okay.
those glucose is broken down in the cells to release uh, energy in the form of ATP. That's I explained you the process. So this is very important.
Hmm.
Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama enables oxygen supply more to the body, and in turn turning your glucose content in the blood into the active energy. That is
Okay.
one thing. Next, you have Kapalbhati, where it is actually pushing your abdomen, pumping your abdomen to release. It is a passive inhaling and active exhaling. So
Okay.
this Kapalbhati, that is actually a pumping your abdomen, which helps in pancreas activation. So that is definitely going to help. And of course, Brahmari Pranayama, where you're plugging your ears with your thumb and chanting Makara, humming sound, that's a honeybee sound.
Okay.
It will help you to relax your mind, remove all the stress. In turn, helps in functioning of your body. So each
Okay.
and every pranayama helps in you either increasing the oxygen content in your body, oxygen supply to your body, or relaxing or activating the pancreas. So this is really definitely going to help in a long term if yoga is being part of your lifestyle.
Excellent. So we can combine yoga, pranayama, and also other exercises like maybe going to the gym or, running, jogging. That will be a good combination, do you think?
Yeah, yeah, very much, certainly, because yoga will take care of your body and mind.
Yeah.
And meditation, of course, I didn't talk about meditation. We have this Nadhanusandhana meditation. So that
Oh,
is very important because we are be chanting Akara, Ukara, Makara. The Omkara is divided into Akara, Ukara, Makara.
wow.
So every Akara takes care of the lower part of the body, that is from your waist to your toes.
Okay.
Ukara takes care of the middle part of the body from waist to your neck. And Makara takes care of your head, your brain, and your facial part of your body. So
Wow.
those chanting Akara, Ukara, Makara will take that vibration into your body and it will ensure the smooth functioning of your body. So meditation, Nadhanusandhana meditation and deep relaxation meditation will
Mhm.
help you to be in sync with the universe, understand the vibrations of the universe, and you will be part of the universe. So you will be very relaxed and you can take care of your stress part very well.
Mhm.
So, as you told, yeah, exercise and yoga with meditation and pranayama is a very excellent combination. And with nutrition and the doctor team, it's the best combination to keep the diabetes part in check or control it very well. So
Mhm.
exercise, as I told, it will help you to reduce your weight because running and jogging, it will help you to burn your carbohydrates, in turn reduce your fat content, and
Yeah.
you can manage your weight. So
Okay.
and combined with our yoga, it takes care of your stress, takes care of your mind and body, and
Okay.
optimum the functioning of your body.
Okay. Wow, that's great. So, yeah, let's just to end the conversation, right? So we spoke about type 2 diabetes and definitely it can be managed with proper lifestyle, exercise, nutrition, yoga, meditation,
Yes,
pranayama, and
yes,
hopefully we can it's able to be reversed also, right?
definitely, definitely. With
With
your team of doctors and your proper diet and a regular checkup in your bloodstream, blood sugar,
blood
so
sugar.
it can be definitely managed.
Definitely managed. Okay, so what are some of the like? Let's say somebody has been diagnosed. I think we spoke about this, but some small manageable steps because the moment you're diagnosed, I think the doctor teams will give like whole bunch of information to you, and suddenly you're worried about, what to eat, what not to eat. Should I go eat out in the restaurant or not? What kind of exercise should I be doing? Even I feel like it's more stressful. The management itself becomes more stressful. So, what are some of the small everyday steps that somebody can take if they want to manage their diabetes every day?
It's about like breaking the news, like somebody who's very being so healthy and very normal and having a very high-fi lifestyle, whatever, and at one point one day they are being diagnosed with by diabetic condition. It could
Exactly.
be very overwhelming. They'll go through a traumatic experience. It could be emotionally draining for them.
Mhm.
They're saddened, or it's very I mean, they're not sure about their emotions. So
Yeah,
that definitely they can work on their emotions, understand why this has happened, and they can have a set of guidelines where they can easily manage and yet lead a normal lifestyle. First to start with, it could be overwhelming. Yes, accept that it is definitely, I mean, scary, or what will happen to me, why this happened to me, why me, and what will happen to
exactly.
my organ. So
Exactly.
these apprehensions, this anxiety will definitely be there. Try to manage your emotions to start with. Maybe you can talk to your psychologist or counselors to understand your emotions, and you can work on your emotions. That is one part. Otherwise, you can educate first to start with. You can educate yourself. You can meet up with your doctor, understand what is this, what type of diabetes they have, why it is happening, understand that the functioning of that and why this condition first itself arised. So that is one thing, educating about completely about diabetes. And
Yeah,
then you can have a proper team of your doctor, your reliable doctor, maybe a friend recommended, or a very known doctor where they have treated or made this diabetic conditions manageable. So that
hmm,
is very important. Doctor is very important. And
hmm,
then monitoring your blood sugar level regularly,
yeah,
maybe once in fortnight, or to start with it initially as and when recommended by the doctor. So you can have a smart food choices, as
yeah,
in the balanced diet and a good carbohydrates, and you have a lot of fibrous, fiber-based the refuges, the more of
correct.
fiber-based foods.
Yeah,
So it will help you to help the digestive system to soluble foods, which is easy to digest and convert into energy. So this is very important. And
yeah,
staying active with a lot of exercises and discipline and healthy lifestyle, and
yeah,
taking medical medicines on time. Medication is very important. Not missing out on the medicines. Maybe whatever the doctor recommends, a healthy
exactly.
proper chart, or a reminder to take medicines, that is very important. And of course, managing stress and mental health, as I told, understanding what is stress, what is good stress, bad stress, understanding the bad stress and working on it, be aware of the stress. Maybe you can have a counselor or a psychologist to help you to manage your stress. So that is very important. And yeah, that these things, if it is implemented and followed, it is
Mm,
easily controllable and manageable.
correct.
Diabetes is
So I
easily
think
managed.
it's very important to take a break, pause in your life and evaluate your life. What is going
Yeah.
on? What exactly are we doing? And
Yes.
bring a little bit of discipline and a little bit of calm in the life. So hopefully things will be manageable. Right. I think
Yeah.
also
Definitely.
the motivation to go to do the exercise, practice yoga. So it's
Yeah.
a little bit of work which we have to put in, right? Because most of us lose motivation after 2 days, 3 days, and then we are back to
Yeah.
square one. So
Yeah.
that is not helpful, definitely.
Yeah. To see the humor part of it, diabetes could be your mentor, or somebody you say, hey, your lifestyle and you're not disciplined person. Let's get back to your routine, and I'm with you. So I can see that diabetes is your friend who is saying is you had to implement your healthy lifestyle and a disciplined lifestyle. So I'm there with you. You manage me, and definitely we can get along with each other. So
Oh
that's
my
how
God.
we can look at diabetes as your friend than something which you are unwanted for.
Correct, correct. Yeah, definitely. So, are there any misconceptions that you have come across about diabetes?
Yeah, that could be, yeah. See, this could be like Yeah. Like they say that only obese people will get diabetes. Eating more sugar can lead to diabetes.
Yeah.
So
Oh,
that is
eating
not
more
the
sugar doesn't lead to diabetes? It doesn't
no, no,
work like that? Okay.
no,
Because
no.
people
Sugar
will
is
be like, stop eating all the sweets, no more chocolates, no more sweet stuff.
no, it
Right?
is again, yeah, it's again a misconception because
I see.
sugar is the carbohydrate by itself. It
Hmm.
is a balanced meal. It's a part of your balanced diet. So
Okay.
sugar taken in moderation, along with ensuring that your blood sugar level is normal, sugar can be taken in a moderate level so that your blood sugar is not it is not shot up or it is reduced. So that is a myth. Again, obesity is not a case because even the people who are not obese also can get diabetes because it is
Oh,
again related to your pancreas and the insulin part of it. It is
correct.
not related to
Mm.
obesity, but if they're still having a proper lifestyle, can be may not get diabetes, but thinner people with having a problem in their pancreas and the insulin can get diabetes.
Okay.
So,
Okay. So, at what stage do you like, when you're diagnosed with diabetes and you're taking pills, right, to manage them, like the medications? And what stage do you think it will have to switch to actually taking the shots? Or is it the same? Because I don't understand that. Like they take
uh,
insulin shots, right? Insulin,
right, right, right.
yeah. Uh, okay, something happened. Okay.
Yeah. As I told, type 1 diabetes, it is something your own immune system is not helping the beta cells producing the insulin. So that requires a continuous supply of insulin through shots throughout your life.
Okay.
That is for
Okay.
type
That
1.
is how it
Whereas
is.
type 2 need to be monitored and see how we are performing in terms of monitoring this condition. And if there is no pancreas, no insulin happening in your body, producing in your body, perhaps needs to be substituted with the shots. Again, it is again monitoring your blood sugar. So I think doctor can definitely understand, assess your pancreas functioning and insulin production. So
Oh,
accordingly, it will be recommended or prescribed.
I see. Okay. So, do you think it affects more men than women, diabetes?
Not
Or
exactly. It's not gender based. It is again
it's
leading.
like
It is all boiling down to your lifestyle. So it
lifestyle
is not gender based.
and
Definitely
your biological function?
biological. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Sometimes it could be genetic as well. If it is running in the family, chances of men or women in their late 40s getting diabetes is it's quite there.
Correct.
It could be a genetical aspect as well.
Correct. 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 And I've heard a whole another, this could be another whole episode where if you're going through the perimenopausal stage, you will be diagnosed with blood sugar, high
Yeah,
blood sugar. So
yeah.
maybe we'll have a discussion about that in another episode.
Correct, correct. Yeah,
But
yeah, sure.
this was wonderful. So this was so good. Thank you, Rupa. And can you just tell me a little bit about your work as a diabetic therapist, right? Is that what you
Yeah,
said?
right, right.
Okay. So where do
So,
you work? Whom do you help? What exactly is that? Do you do?
yeah,
I
I'm,
know I
yeah,
asked you in the beginning, but I'm just want to kind of be
yeah,
in the
sure,
little.
sure, no problem. Yeah, as I told, I'm a certified yoga instructor and also a diabetic therapist.
Okay.
I'm a freelancer. I don't have studio as such. Otherwise, I take online sessions
Okay.
who require diabetic therapy for yoga. So some of the diabetic yoga will be more of customized for their requirement because women or men in their late 40s or 50s, they'll have this arthritis or they're not able to sit down or easily stand. So we have this chair yoga and chair Surya Namaskara
Mm,
and like something which is user friendly when it's friendly for their body condition. So we'll
sure.
be having a lot of postures which will twisting and activating their pancreas And as I told you, even the relaxation meditation also will be part of the program of this diabetic yoga. So that will definitely help them to de-stress themselves and relax. And I have done this. I was helping one of my my teacher. She was in her late 60s. She had diabetes, and when she started doing yoga, it was very much under control, and she was very happy about it.
Wow.
Definitely, yeah, this can help even aged people as well.
Oh, wonderful. That's great. Yeah, I've
So
heard
I'm
a
a,
lot of positive effects of, yoga and managing all these health
yeah, right, right,
conditions.
right.
Definitely.
Yeah, that's true.
That's wonderful.
Yeah,
Great. Okay. Thank you so much. This was very helpful for me personally because, and
right.
hopefully, everybody else will also get a lot of, useful information and
Yeah,
get inspired to take healthy steps and
yeah,
manage their diabetes. So, because it's very common, very, very common, right?
correct,
Every third person will have will be diabetic. So, it's very
correct,
common.
correct.
But the
Yeah,
good news is it's manageable and we can
yeah,
take care of
definitely.
it.
Yeah.
All
Thank you,
right.
Anju. Thank you so
Thank
much
you.
for this
Yeah,
opportunity. Yeah, I
no
mean, it was
problem.
very, I think it's very insightful for me as well because, like, understanding this and putting it across to hope the viewers definitely will be helpful in getting the information, right information, and they need not panic or get worried or stressed out. Yes, it is easily manageable. Treat it as your friend and your foe, and then yes, you can go ahead with your normal lifestyle and whatever you're doing, continue to do your work.
Yeah. Yeah,
Yeah.
definitely.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Really, really
Yeah.
appreciate this. Okay.
Yeah. Thank
And
you, Anju.
hopefully we will come back again and talk a little bit more about many other topics. I'm sure you
Yeah,
can
sure, definitely.
share your
Yeah.
knowledge.
Yeah,
Okay.
sure. Yeah.
All right.
Looking forward to this opportunity again.
Thank you. Let
Okay.
me stop the recording.